Gender-responsive urban planning, building inclusive cities. Introduction. In the modern world, where urbanization is rapidly expanding and societies are becoming increasingly diverse, the importance of gender-responsive urban planning cannot be overstated. Cities are dynamic entities that shape and are shaped by the people who inhabit them. Hence, it is essential to ensure that urban spaces are designed in a way that addresses the diverse needs and experiences of all individuals, regardless of their gender. This video delves into the significance of gender-responsive urban planning and highlights its potential to create inclusive, safe, and sustainable cities. Understanding gender-responsive urban planning. Gender-responsive urban planning is an approach that takes into consideration the distinct needs, preferences, and behaviors of people of different genders when designing and developing urban environments. It aims to create cities that are not only physically accessible but also socially inclusive, where all residents can participate fully in public life and enjoy equal opportunities. This approach goes beyond simply adding women's facilities or spaces. It involves a comprehensive analysis of how urban spaces are utilized and experienced by different genders. It recognizes that women, men, transgender individuals, and people of non-binary gender identities may have unique patterns of movement, daily routines, and interactions with the urban environment. Therefore, gender-responsive urban planning seeks to challenge traditional norms and biases embedded in city design. Creating safe and inclusive public spaces. Gender-responsive urban planning contributes to the creation of safe and inclusive public spaces that promote a sense of belonging and security for everyone. By considering factors such as lighting, visibility, and accessibility, cities can reduce the risk of violence and harassment, particularly for women and marginalized communities. Well-lit pathways, secure public transportation, and strategically placed amenities not only enhance safety but also encourage greater use of public spaces, fostering a vibrant urban life. Promoting economic empowerment. Cities are centers of economic activity, and gender-responsive urban planning can play a pivotal role in empowering women economically. By ensuring that urban infrastructure supports women's participation in the workforce, such as through affordable and accessible childcare facilities or flexible working arrangements, cities can enable women to balance their professional and personal responsibilities effectively. This, in turn, contributes to economic growth and the overall well-being of urban communities. Enhancing mobility and accessibility. Mobility is a key aspect of urban life, and gender-responsive urban planning aims to address mobility challenges faced by different genders. Women, for instance, often have distinct travel patterns, including more frequent and shorter trips, and are more likely to use public transport and walk. By considering these patterns, cities can design transportation systems that cater to various needs, making them more efficient and accessible for everyone. Case study: the Women First Park in Vienna. An exemplary illustration of gender-responsive urban planning is the Women First Park initiative in Vienna, Austria. This project involved transforming a neglected urban space into a vibrant park that prioritizes the needs and preferences of women. The park features well-lit paths, comfortable seating, and spaces for social interaction, all of which contribute to a safer and more welcoming environment. The project not only showcases the potential of gender-responsive design but also highlights the positive impact it can have on community well-being. Conclusion. Gender-responsive urban planning is a crucial step towards creating inclusive, equitable, and sustainable cities for the 21st century. By understanding and accommodating the diverse needs and experiences of different genders, urban planners and policymakers can foster a sense of community, promote economic empowerment, and enhance overall quality of life. As cities continue to evolve, embracing gender-responsive design principles will be essential to ensure that urban spaces remain accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of their gender identity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.